What's up, guys? Ken with Korean here, back at it with another fishing video, but this time I actually want to do some topwater action here. This is a new lure I found. Same place I found my Whopper Plopper 90, and this is a 130, so I'm gonna definitely try this one out here and try some soft toads here. So hopefully we can land on some good fish, any fish, and get some good footage. So stay tuned. Wow, that was right there by the kayak. Oh, I just lost my frog. Oh, first victim of the day. I was about to switch up too. Look at that, first frog bass of the day. Pretty cool right there next to the kayak. There you go, guys. Little guy. Alright, let's get a release on this guy. Oof, another one here. Nice. There you guys go, second bass of the day right here. Off a Bruiser Baits kicking frog. Get some bigger ones. What the heck? Oh man, I messed that up. Well, looky here. Looks like someone wants to go fishing. Alright, got caught a fish over there. Here we go. Here we go. All right, finally. Another bass. Biggest one of the day right here, guys. Check it out. Off this little Z-Man pop shad right here. Pretty solid bait. So far, biggest one of the day. Let's let this guy go. There we go. There we go. Whoo-wee. Oh yes, that is what I'm talking about, guys. Off this popper here. Woo! Right on the bottom lip too. Jeez, check this little chunk out. It's probably a 2-pounder here. Look at this, guys. Nice. All right. All right, guys. Yep, 2 pounds on the dot. Check it out. Nice. Right there on that Z-Man popper. There we go. Let's let this little fatty chunk go. There we go. Holy crap. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. Dang. Little guy too. Oh. Jeez. Wow, this is back-to-back catches right here. I just casted it and I went to go reset the camera here. And I felt this thing pull it down. Pretty cool. I like it. Check it out, another one. Here we go. Having a pretty good day with this topwater bite. So far 5 bass, biggest 2-pounder. See if we get any more bigger ones. Come on, baby. I know you bass want this delicious chartreuse shad right here. Freaking top popping boom here. This 4th of July right here. Decided to get out here and stick with some topwater action. So far so good. And so far 3 hits on this popper here. Tried some soft plastic frogs and toads here. Caught a couple fish, but wasn't really happening with the faster moving bait, so slowed it down a bit. And since this place you can actually see the top surface, a lot of hydrilla here. So you know, I couldn't really use a whopper plopper out here. Always getting caught up. But I did get a hit on it. Let's go back up into this little pocket right here and see if we can pull out a lunker. Just saw a little turtle. That's what I want. Got a nice chunk, 2-pounder, but I want bigger. That's what my appetite's looking for. Come on, wind, stop pushing me. I want you guys to get this good footage of a big bass hits this topwater here. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Oh. check out that. Jeez. That is what I am talking about. Woo! Oh my gosh. Check out that beast. Wow. Look at that. That is what I am talking about. Oh man. This has got to be a 5-pounder, man. Has to be. Oh my. We got a 5-pound, 4-ounce bass right here, guys. 5-pound, 4-ounce bass. Look at that. Nice topwater bass right here. Off the lunkerhunt prop fish here. Dang, dude. Look at this beast. Alright guys, one more look at this beast. Here we go, 5 pounds, 4 ounces. Check it out. Look at that bucket mouth. Let's get a release on this girl. Woo! There we go. Oh yeah, I love topwater fishing. What the heck? That was a carp right there. Freaking carp's messing up my bass fishing. Gonna have to move. Well guys, I think I'm done fishing here. Haven't really had any action in the past hour and it's getting dark. But again, I wanted to do some 4th of July fishing here. Some top pop and boom, topwater action. Had a good day. Pulled in 2 nice fish, 2-pounder and a 5-pounder. And then several smaller guys. But always awesome doing a little topwater fishing here. Use a bunch of different topwater baits. Soft plastics and hard baits with treble hooks. But guys, hope you enjoy your 4th of July. And until then, tight lines and keep fishing. Later guys.